Want to get on a goat's good side? Start with smiling. Goats are able to differentiate between happy and unhappy human faces, and they have been found to prefer happy faces. Goats are also able to distinguish between the happy and sad calls of other goats. When they hear a sad call, they listen more intently and actually have a physiological response to hearing the sad calls. The eyes of goats rotate significantly in their sockets, allowing their pupils to stay aligned with the ground, whether their head is up or down.